Dr. Divya Thankam Burgess, Academic Coordinator and Assistant Professor in the School of Management at CMR University. I hold an MBA, CASER and a PhD in Management. These qualifications have not only equipped me with knowledge, but also have ignited a passion for continuous learning and professional growth. My professional journey has been a fulfilling one. I have had the privilege of working closely with students, helping them bridge the gap between theoretical concepts and real-world applications. As an academician, I view education as a powerful tool to shape future leaders and contribute meaningfully to the field of management. I find joy and inspiration in calligraphy, a pursuit that mirrors my belief in precision and aesthetics. I am also a dedicated writer and a poet, using words to convey ideas and emotions that resonate with the human experience. The School of Management at CMR University is dedicated to providing a comprehensive academic program that emphasizes collaborative learning, interaction with experts, professional skills, and relevant curriculum. With a focus on making students industry-ready professionals armed with hands-on knowledge, School of Management ensures high-quality educational programs and leverages strong partnerships with globally recognized knowledge partners. The School of Management offers a diverse range of programs tailored to meet the needs of both undergraduates and working professionals seeking to enhance their skills and advance their career in the business world. Here are the programs we currently offer. The Bachelor of Business Administration. This program provides the students with a comprehensive foundation in business principles. Through a well-rounded curriculum, students develop a broad understanding of various business disciplines, including marketing, finance, operations, and management. This program equips students with the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in entry-level positions within the organizations. We have BBA Business Analytics. The Business Analytics program explores the intersection of business and data analysis. The program structure covers SAS Tableau, Python programming, SQL, NLP, Big Data Analytics, Learning and AI, Data Science using R, Retail Analytics, and HR Analytics. Students learn how to collect, interpret, and utilize data to make informed business decisions. From these courses offered, the students gain proficiency in data analysis tools and techniques, enabling them to extract valuable insights and drive business growth. Graduates of this program are well equipped to pursue careers in business intelligence, data analysis, and decision support. This program focuses on the dynamic field of digital marketing. Students learn about various digital marketing strategies, including SEO, SEM, and SMM, digital innovation and transformation, digital strategy, digital channels and experiences, digital marketing analytics, digital marketing professional, website planning and structure, social media analytics, B2B marketing, and retail management. These courses prepare students for careers in digital marketing, where they can help organizations leverage digital channels to reach and engage their target audience effectively.